Vandag kyk ons na die beestreur en die moeilike woorde wat ons in elke paragraaf vind. Paragraaf 1. Koshuis, hostel. Kiewit, a plover, which is a bird. Skreeuwend, screaming. Kiriebene, knock knees. Skel, high-pitched. Bygebly, remembered. Paragraaf 2. Umtata, which is a town in Eastern Cape. Kunstenaar is an artist. Kunstuitstalling is an art exhibition. Nederland, Netherlands. Paragraaf 3. Ebenoot, it's the black notes on the piano. Ivoor is ivory. It also refers to the white notes of the piano. Behalwe, except for. Vals, which means false. Klank is the sound. Paragraaf 4. Prefect is a leader. Toesig, supervision. Studiesaal, study hall, excuse the spelling. Leeg, empty. Gesorg, insured. Carol is a boyfriend. Errands, somewhere. Venster, window. Aanvat, take on. Verklaar, split on. Paragraaf 5 en 6. Lig en skadukant, the light and dark side. Stemmetjie is voice. Paragraaf 7. Saans is in the evening. Spottend, jokingly. Klavier, piano. Paragraaf 8 en 9. Verklaar is to declare something. Verlang is to miss someone. Paragraaf 10. Netbalwedstryd is a netball game. Oppositie, opposition. Laadspat, land in. When she throws the ball, it lands in someone's hands. Gepotjie, tripped. Excuse me. Paragraaf 11. Aanbreek, when the day started. Gereed, when you are ready. Tydens, during. Toesig te hou, to supervise. Kamptig, supposedly. Naar, nauseous. Betrap, caught out. Kortpad is a shortcut. Sluip is to sneak out or to sneak. Aan die deur klop, knock on the door. Terugsleep is to drag back. Paragraaf 12. Skoolsaal, school hall. Verby, to pass. Aan die knie van my ma, knee of my mother, referring to when she was very young. Teruggesluip, sneaked back. Agterdeur, back door. Katvoet is when you walk quietly. Dowwe lig, dim light. Klavierbankie, piano chair. Saxofoon, saxophone. Gelig, lifted. Paragraaf 13. Skielik, suddenly. Verstaan, understand. Spot, make fun of. Langs, next to. Klap is the top of piano. This is not like when you smack someone or hit someone. The klap that it refers to is the piano, the top of the piano that you open. Oopgeslaan, opened up. Deuntjie is a tune. Knie is a knee. Laat sak is to lower down. Maag is a stomach. Paragraaf 14. Blink oë, bright eyes. Paragraaf 15. Trots is proud. Kla is to moan. Paragraaf 16. Saak gemaak nie. It didn't matter. Dieselfde, the same.